Welcome to our exploration of the fascinating history of nanobiotechnology. This field sits at the crossroads of biology and nanotechnology, blending the manipulation of matter at the nanoscale with the complex systems of living organisms. Today, nanobiotechnology is revolutionizing medicine, diagnostics, and materials science, but its roots stretch back further than you might imagine. In this video, we'll trace the journey from early scientific curiosity to the cutting-edge advances shaping our world. Let's begin by understanding what nanobiotechnology really means and why it's such a transformative area of research. Story of nanobiotechnology begins with the birth of nanotechnology itself. In 1959, physicist Richard Feynman delivered his famous lecture, "There's Plenty of Room at the Bottom," where he envisioned manipulating individual atoms and molecules. This idea sparked the imagination of scientists worldwide, laying the groundwork for future innovations. Although Feynman's vision was theoretical at the time, it inspired decades of research into the possibilities of working at the nanoscale. This foundational moment set the stage for the eventual merging of nanotechnology with biology. Even before the term nanotechnology was coined, nature had already mastered nanoscale engineering. Biological systems, such as enzymes and cellular structures, operate at the nanometer level. Scientists began to realize that by studying and mimicking these natural processes, they could develop new technologies. This early appreciation for the nanoscale intricacies of life inspired researchers to bridge the gap between biology and technology, setting the stage for nanobiotechnology's emergence. Major breakthrough in nanotechnology came in 1981 with the invention of the scanning tunneling microscope, STM. This device allowed scientists to visualize and manipulate individual atoms for the first time. The STM's development was a pivotal moment, making it possible to study biological molecules at unprecedented resolution. This technological leap opened new doors for researchers interested in the nanoscale world, including those working at the intersection of biology and technology. The 1980s and 1990s, scientists began to see DNA not just as the carrier of genetic information, but as a versatile nanomaterial. Researchers discovered that DNA could be engineered to form specific shapes and structures at the nanoscale, leading to the birth of DNA nanotechnology. This breakthrough demonstrated how biological molecules could be harnessed for technological applications, further blurring the lines between biology and nanotechnology. As the 1990s progressed, biomolecular engineering emerged as a key discipline. Scientists began designing and constructing new biological molecules with specific functions, often at the nanoscale. This approach enabled the creation of custom enzymes, synthetic proteins, and even nanoscale machines inspired by natural biological systems. Biomolecular engineering became a cornerstone of nanobiotechnology, driving innovation in medicine, diagnostics, and materials science. One of the earliest and most impactful applications of nanobiotechnology has been in medicine. In the late 20th century, researchers began developing nanoparticles for drug delivery, allowing medicines to be targeted directly to specific cells or tissues. This innovation improved the effectiveness of treatments and reduced side effects, marking a major advance in personalized medicine. The use of nanoparticles in medicine continues to expand, with ongoing research into cancer therapies, vaccines, and diagnostics. Quantum dots, tiny semiconductor particles, became a powerful tool in biological imaging during the 1990s and 2000s. These nanomaterials emit bright, tunable light, making them ideal for labeling and tracking molecules inside cells. Quantum dots revolutionized the way scientists visualize biological processes, enabling more precise and detailed studies of cellular function. Their development showcased the potential of nanotechnology to enhance our understanding of life at the smallest scales. Nanobiotechnology has also transformed diagnostics through the development of biosensors. These devices use nanoscale materials to detect biological molecules with incredible sensitivity and speed. From glucose monitors to rapid tests for infectious diseases, biosensors have become essential tools in healthcare. Their ability to provide quick, accurate results has improved patient care and enabled earlier detection of illnesses. Beyond medicine, nanobiotechnology has found applications in agriculture. Researchers have developed nanoscale fertilizers and pesticides that are more efficient and environmentally friendly than traditional products. These innovations help increase crop yields, reduce chemical runoff, and promote sustainable farming practices. By harnessing the power of nanotechnology, agriculture is becoming smarter and more sustainable. Protein engineering has played a pivotal role in nanobiotechnology's evolution. By designing proteins with specific shapes and functions, scientists have created nanoscale machines capable of performing complex tasks. These engineered proteins are used in drug delivery, diagnostics, and even as building blocks for new materials. The ability to manipulate proteins at the nanoscale has opened up countless possibilities for innovation. Completion of the Human Genome Project in 2003 was a landmark event for biology and nanobiotechnology. Mapping the entire human genome provided a blueprint for understanding how genes and proteins interact at the molecular level. This knowledge has fueled advances in personalized medicine, gene editing, and the development of nanoscale diagnostic tools. The Human Genome Project's legacy continues to drive innovation in nanobiotechnology today. On-a-chip devices represent another major milestone in nanobiotechnology. These tiny platforms integrate multiple laboratory functions onto a single chip, allowing for rapid analysis of biological samples. Lab-on-a-chip technology has made diagnostics faster, cheaper, and more accessible, especially in remote or resource-limited settings. This innovation exemplifies how nanobiotechnology can make complex science more practical and widely available. The concept of nanorobots, tiny machines capable of navigating the human body, has long captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. While fully autonomous nanorobots remain a goal for the future, early prototypes are already being developed for targeted drug delivery and minimally invasive surgery. These advances hint at a future where nanobiotechnology could enable precise, personalized treatments at the cellular level. As nanobiotechnology advances, ethical questions have become increasingly important. Issues such as privacy, safety, and the potential for unintended consequences must be carefully considered. Researchers, policymakers, and the public are engaged in ongoing discussions about how to ensure that nanobiotechnology is developed and used responsibly. These conversations are essential for guiding the field's future and maximizing its benefits while minimizing risks. Growth of nanobiotechnology has been fueled by international collaboration. Scientists from around the world share knowledge, resources, and expertise to tackle complex challenges. Global partnerships have accelerated the pace of discovery and ensured that advances in nanobiotechnology benefit people everywhere. This spirit of cooperation is vital for addressing global health, environmental, and technological issues. Nanobiotechnology is making waves in environmental science as well. Nanoscale materials are being used to detect and remove pollutants from water, air, and soil. These technologies offer new ways to monitor environmental health and develop sustainable solutions to pollution. By applying nanobiotechnology to environmental challenges, scientists are helping to protect the planet for future generations. As research in nanobiotechnology has matured, commercialization has become a major focus. Companies are developing new products and therapies based on nanoscale technologies, from advanced medical devices to innovative materials. The growth of the nanobiotechnology industry is creating new jobs, driving economic development, and bringing cutting-edge science to market. To support the rapid growth of nanobiotechnology, education and workforce development are essential. Universities and training programs are preparing the next generation of scientists, engineers, and technicians. By fostering interdisciplinary learning and hands-on experience, these programs ensure that the field continues to innovate and thrive. Public understanding and acceptance of nanobiotechnology are crucial for its success. Scientists and communicators work to explain the benefits and risks of new technologies in clear, accessible language. Effective communication helps build trust and ensures that society can make informed decisions about the use of nanobiotechnology. As nanobiotechnology products enter the market, regulation and policy become increasingly important. Governments and international organizations are developing guidelines to ensure the safety and efficacy of nanobiotechnology applications. These policies help protect consumers and the environment while encouraging responsible innovation. Nanobiotechnology is already part of our daily lives, often in ways we don't notice. From improved sunscreens and cosmetics to advanced medical diagnostics and treatments, nanoscale technologies are making products safer, more effective, and more convenient. As research continues, we can expect even more innovations to become part of our everyday routines. Despite its many successes, nanobiotechnology faces significant challenges. Technical hurdles, high costs, and regulatory uncertainties can slow progress. Researchers are working to overcome these obstacles by developing new methods, improving efficiency, and collaborating across disciplines. Addressing these challenges is key to unlocking the full potential of nanobiotechnology. Artificial intelligence, AI, is playing an increasingly important role in nanobiotechnology. AI algorithms help analyze complex biological data, design new molecules, and optimize nanoscale processes. By combining AI with nanobiotechnology, scientists can accelerate discovery and develop more effective solutions to health and environmental challenges. Nanobiotechnology is at the heart of the personalized medicine revolution. By tailoring treatments to individual patients based on their genetic makeup and molecular profiles, doctors can achieve better outcomes with fewer side effects. Nanoscale diagnostic tools and targeted therapies are making personalized medicine a reality for more people every year. Gene editing technologies like CRISPR have been enhanced by nanobiotechnology. Nanoscale delivery systems make it possible to introduce gene editing tools directly into cells with high precision. This combination is opening new possibilities for treating genetic diseases and advancing our understanding of biology. Cancer therapy has been transformed by nanobiotechnology. Nanoparticles can deliver drugs directly to tumors, minimizing damage to healthy tissue and improving treatment effectiveness. Researchers are also developing nanoscale imaging agents to detect cancer earlier and monitor treatment progress in real time. Nanobiotechnology has played a crucial role in the development of new vaccines and immune therapies. Nanoscale delivery systems can enhance the effectiveness of vaccines and enable new approaches to immunotherapy. These advances are helping to protect people from infectious diseases and improve public health worldwide. Nanobiotechnology has enabled the creation of smart materials and biosurfaces that respond to their environment. These materials can change properties in response to temperature, pH, or other signals, making them useful for medical implants, sensors, and more. The development of responsive materials is expanding the possibilities for innovation in healthcare and beyond. Fighting infections is another area where nanobiotechnology shines. Antimicrobial nanomaterials can kill bacteria and viruses on contact, making them valuable for medical devices, coatings, and even everyday products. These materials help reduce the spread of infections and improve safety in healthcare settings. Wearable devices powered by nanobiotechnology are changing the way we monitor health. Sensors embedded in clothing or accessories can track vital signs, detect diseases, and even deliver medications. These innovations are making healthcare more proactive and personalized. Nanobiotechnology is improving food safety and quality through better packaging, sensors, and preservation techniques. Nanoscale materials can detect contaminants, extend shelf life, and ensure that food stays fresh longer. These advances are helping to make our food supply safer and more reliable. Nanobiotechnology is contributing to sustainable energy solutions. Researchers are developing nanoscale materials for more efficient solar cells, batteries, and fuel cells. These innovations are helping to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and move toward a cleaner, greener future. Space exploration is another frontier for nanobiotechnology. Nanoscale materials and devices can help protect astronauts from radiation, detect life on other planets, and support long-term missions. These technologies are expanding our ability to explore and understand the universe. Integration of nanobiotechnology with the Internet of Things (IoT) is creating new possibilities for connected health and smart environments. Nanoscale sensors can collect and transmit data in real time, enabling more responsive and efficient systems. This convergence is driving innovation in healthcare, agriculture, and beyond. Bioprinting uses nanobiotechnology to create tissues and organs layer by layer. This technology holds promise for regenerative medicine, allowing for the repair or replacement of damaged tissues. Advances in bioprinting are bringing us closer to a future where organ shortages are a thing of the past. The cosmetics industry is embracing nanobiotechnology to create products with improved performance and safety. Nanoscale ingredients can enhance the delivery of active compounds, improve texture, and provide longer-lasting effects. These innovations are setting new standards for beauty and personal care. Emerging research suggests that nanobiotechnology could play a role in mental health care. Nanoscale drug delivery systems may improve the effectiveness of psychiatric medications and reduce side effects. Additionally, wearable sensors could help monitor mental health in real time, enabling more personalized and proactive care. Nanobiotechnology is supporting global health initiatives by making diagnostics and treatments more accessible in low-resource settings. Portable, affordable devices powered by nanoscale technologies are helping to combat infectious diseases and improve health outcomes worldwide. Open science and data sharing are accelerating progress in nanobiotechnology. By making research findings and data widely available, scientists can collaborate more effectively and build on each other's work. This culture of openness is driving innovation and ensuring that discoveries benefit everyone. Women have made significant contributions to the field of nanobiotechnology, leading groundbreaking research and inspiring future generations. Efforts to promote diversity and inclusion are helping to ensure that the field benefits from a wide range of perspectives and talents. Looking ahead, the future of nanobiotechnology is full of promise. Advances in materials, computing, and biology are converging to create new possibilities for health, sustainability, and beyond. As the field continues to evolve, we can expect even more transformative breakthroughs in the years to come. Recap: nanobiotechnology has evolved from early theoretical ideas to a vibrant, multidisciplinary field with real-world impact. Key milestones include the invention of the scanning tunneling microscope, the rise of DNA nanotechnology, advances in medicine and diagnostics, and the ongoing integration with artificial intelligence and other emerging technologies. Each step has brought us closer to harnessing the power of the nanoscale for the benefit of society. The journey of nanobiotechnology is far from over. Researchers, engineers, and innovators around the world are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With each new discovery, we move closer to a future where nanobiotechnology transforms every aspect of our lives, from health and environment to industry and beyond. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of nanobiotechnology. From its early inspirations to its current achievements and future prospects, this field exemplifies the power of curiosity, collaboration, and innovation. As we look to the future, the possibilities are limited only by our imagination and determination. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science and technology.